It's been said that a pilot's decisions are only as good as the information available to make those decisions. The multifunction display on the KSN 770 provides you with a lot of information. A navigation map, a dedicated terrain view, charts, a course deviation indicator, and views from 5 optional external sensors. Using a unique split-screen interface, all of this information can be viewed in many different ways. As a result, you can increase your situational awareness without having to increase your workload by constantly changing screens. In this video, you'll discover the answers to frequently asked questions about using the multifunction display. To access the multifunction display, if it's not already active, press the MFD dedicated bezel key. The multifunction display provides you with information that can help you make a safe, efficient flight. It includes a navigation map, a dedicated terrain view, charts, and a course deviation indicator. The MFD can also display data from optional external sensors, including Datalink Weather, traffic, lightning detection, weather radar, and a terrain awareness and warning system. These optional displays are only available if the associated external sensors are installed and configured accordingly. You can configure the KSN 770 to present all this information in many different ways. As you learn about the different MFD pages, windows, and views, and as you try them out in flight, you'll discover the configuration that you like best. The configuration you choose will depend on the types of flights you make, the geographic area in which you typically fly, and your personal preferences. It's easy to reconfigure the display at any time, but you'll probably find that once you hit upon your preferred setup, you won't change it very often. The MFD display is composed of pages, windows, and views. Pages contain windows, and windows contain views. There are 3 different pages available when using the multifunction display, and each page features a different layout of windows. To cycle between the 3 MFD pages, press the Page key. The annunciator above the button indicates which of the 3 pages you've selected. The first MFD page is the full screen layout. This page features a single window that takes up most of the display. The second MFD page is the split screen layout. On this page, the display is split into 2 windows. The third MFD page is the thumbnail layout. On this page, the display is split into 3 windows, 1 large window on the right and 2 smaller windows on the left. On each page, you can change the view that is displayed in each window. First, select the desired window. Then, change the view in that window. To cycle through the windows, push the joystick knob. Or, just touch the window you want to select. The window that is currently selected for input has a magenta border around it. The name of the current view within the selected window is enunciated in cyan in the upper left corner of the window. The full screen layout on the first MFD page only has 1 window, so it's always selected. There are 3 ways to change the view in a selected window. You can press the View key to cycle through the available views in sequence. Each time you press the View key, the next view will display in the selected window. You can also rotate the joystick knob clockwise or counterclockwise to cycle through the available views. Note the View enunciation, indicating that rotation of the joystick knob will change the view. Additionally, you can use the interactive touchscreen to quickly jump directly to the view you want to display. First, touch the screen to activate touchscreen mode. Then, touch the View Title touchscreen button in the upper left-hand corner of the window.
Select the desired view from the pop-up list and press OK.
The views that the full screen layout window can display include Navigation Map View, Weather View, Terrain View, Traffic View, Lightning Detection View, Charts View, Weather Radar View, Terrain Awareness and Warning System View, and GPS Course Deviation Indicator View. Remember that the views that receive data from external sensors won't be available unless the appropriate hardware is installed and configured. The split-screen layout on the second MFD page has two windows. Each split-screen layout window can display any of the available views, with two exceptions. To ensure good performance, you can't display two navigation map views or two weather views at the same time, and you can't display the navigation map view in one window and the weather view in the other window. The thumbnail layout on the third page has three windows. You can select a window and change the views within that window using the same techniques that work on the full screen and split screen pages. First, select a window. Then, change the view within that window. In Thumbnail View, the large window on the right can display any of the available views. The smaller thumbnail windows on the left can only display Terrain View, Traffic View, Lightning Detection View, or GPS Course Deviation Indicator View. Whenever you change the configuration of an MFD page, the settings are automatically saved. Once you set up the pages and views, they'll stay that way until you change them. Page settings are also saved when the KSN 770 is powered off between flights.